Welcome to Appium training by Wisdom Trainings. Right, so every Android application has a certain APK file. That APK file is just like the exe file. So you need that for automating that Android application. And extracting the APK is also quite a simple process. It's not a very complex one. Fine. For that, you need to just open the phone and go to Play Store and install APK extractor. Okay, just install APK extractor. This is the first one which is installed on my PC. Right, so this app will help you install the APK, okay, or extract the APK. So for example, there is an application on my phone known as Make My Trip. This is a travel based application in India, right? So you just tap on it and you will see tap one or two times at the bottom message that APK has been extracted. And what you need to do is just go to your phone. Okay, phone should be detected. Just a minute. Yeah, hold on. My phone is not getting detected. That means I connected my phone. If this happens, then just go to settings and go to USB. You might have to do it again and again. Enable it for file transfer. Okay, and once you have done this, go to your phone and you will see a extracted APKs folder. Okay, under that you will find the Make My Trip APK. Any APK you can extract. Alright, so this is how you can extract APK. This APK will be required when I'm writing the Appium script. This will be required, the path to the APK I'll have to give. You can also work without APK. There are ways which I will talk about later on. Okay, now the next thing is installation, the final installation which of Appium which was pending. Okay, that I'll discuss in the next video.